Hi crafters, it's Kris from the design team, and on today's video I am showing you how I combine the birthday banners SVG cut file along with the fall flower flourish group SVG cut files to make this beautiful thankful banner for in my dining room area, a center point in my house that I love to put banners and just decorate for all the seasons. So if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get crafting. Alright, for this project, all you're going to need is some cardstock, a precision pen to glue the finer details, some 3D dot stickers, foam stickers, and some twine or some rope as to how you want to hang your banner on. And if you have some gemstones or some pearly stickers, you could add those to the center of the flowers like I have. So that's all that you need. And the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the swirlies together with the precision glue pen. For this next step, I have laid everything out on my table as to how they are layered. And remember, in the Printable Cuttables Creatables SVG files, she also includes an instruction sheet to show you which are the bottom layers and which are the top layers. And so be sure to use that to guide you along the way. So I have all my pieces laid out, and now I'm just going to start gluing them all together. Alright, so now all my pieces are glued together, so now it's time to assemble this fall flower flourish group, and I'm going to be using my precision glue pen along with my 3D dot stickers. So the first step is I am gluing the acorns onto the swirl, onto the center of the swirl. Next, I'll be adding the big oak leaves onto the sides of the acorn, and just once again using my precision glue pen. I find this pen works really well. I've used about 3 of them now because I just find the quality of this pen is really good. I get it from my local Michaels. Alright, now I'm adding the 4 big leaves onto the back of my flower. I originally was going to use my glue pen, but then I decided I wanted the 3D effect, so I added on the 3D dot stickers, and you will see that right away. So I'm just lining it up, and then I'll give it a press. So I'm just figuring out the placement for the small flowers. Next, I am gluing these small leaves to the slightly larger flowers, and that's just going to be a flat effect. I'm not using the 3D dots for that. lining up the placement so I know where to put my 3D dots. And do the same for the other side for the larger flower. And here it is, and I forgot to add my spray, so I just noticed that right now, and I'll add the little spray to the center. And there you have your fall flower flourish group. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I loved the aspect of taking the larger file and using bits and pieces of that cut file to add different designs to each of the letters in the word thankful. I find it adds a little dimension to the banner and just gives that banner the extra pop that I was needing. I just love this for my fall decor. It was such a fun craft to make. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.